trader, this is Guru from FX Sigur YouTube channel, and today I will show my swing trade and I will show how that my process, how I build this trade is working. So right now on 1 hour chart on the British pound dollar, and what I did, I will just show here. I made a sell order at 1.2830. It's a high importance level. The next level is 1.2850, and I just make a pending order, create an order, and without any kind of drawdown, I just saw this forming of bearish engulfing pattern. I don't know what will happen here. I put my stop loss right to the break even right now, and I'm targeting 1.2770. But what is more important here? My process, how I build this trade and how I'm thinking. So first thing, what I want to show you, I want to show you just a mean reversion. All these indicators and all strategy you can download from my website. You can be part of my newsletter there. You will have on the homepage a whole strategy, PDF, everything. Just go to my website and download. And I don't want to talk about the strategy, mini version and everything. I do not trade a mini version a lot, but what is most important here is that right now on the daily chart we are seeing a strong bullish trend, but on the 1 hour chart something very, very interesting, and I will show what is that. So we had, just to show right now, we had a strong bullish move from the last week. Before 7 days on the price 126.15, we started the bullish trend, strong bullish trend, up, 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 and then we reach to the upper band. You can use an indicator like that uses standard deviation for this. Then we were around the mean, but it was a strong bullish trend too, and we reach upper band again. But here is a story. What's happened here? This is something uncommon. We reach upper band, went down. Reach upper band, went down. Reach again, went down. We have a 4-5 times rejection where we didn't touch the mean line. This is very rare, and usually when you see this, what you need to expect, you need to see another strong high price like this 1.2830, and then you should touch this mean reversion price. And this is something that I saw a lot of times in my career, that after several attempts you reach a new strong high and then you just went down and reach a mean reversion. However, on the 1 hour chart right now we are watching what will happen. I have several scenarios too for here. First scenario is my trade is unsuccessful because I just go and reach my stop loss. I'm break even without loss. What I'm doing then, I'm just waiting. I will just show you. I'm just waiting for new level where I can enter, and that level can be at price, like I said, 2.850. So the next price is 1.2850. And after that, like I said, 30, but I'm already in 30 price level. So I want to see the price rejection either right now, either on that price. Why? Because it's natural to have some kind of a pullback if you want to go further, if you want more up, up, and up. So without a healthy pullback, the trend is very hard can be healthy. Of course, there are currency pairs when we can see without pullbacks that kind of a strong bullish trend, but usually it's a commodity currencies. Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, Lunicat, something like that, and they can be slow burner and go up. But for euro dollar and British pound dollar particularly, it's very rare, and I hope that it will be like that. As you can see, the first hour is finished. My trade after the first hour is very good shape. We have a bearish candle, and I hope that we will see the pullback. I want to hit this resistance, but I will not put a target direct. I want to see what will happen this target. If I see the hourly break below this line, just to put one thing very interesting, I will put indicator. I will put just the moving average 50, okay, just to see where it is. Yes, this is it. So we can reach and this price level because we're far away from the 1 hour 50 moving average. So maybe if we break this resistance, we can reach here, and there I will close my trade for sure. And that will be, as you can see, 70 pips, and 70 pips is a real good swing trade. Maybe more, but like I said, I will just monitor the trend. I hope that price will hit this target and that we can see a healthy pullback. So this is some kind of contrarian trade, but I'm very cautious because as you can see, I put my stop loss and break even, and I will not risk a lot of money for this trade. So this is it for me and for this day. And for swing trades, what I want to tell you is, if you want to do swing trades, it's not enough to have only the high price. You need to have something, some trigger, some edge. Sometimes I see when the market is exhausted and I have like this time 4 or 5 attempts that I didn't reach a mean reversion, that can be very, very good trigger. Sometimes the good trigger, if you have a news is good for British pound dollar and you see rejection of that news. Oh, in that case, the price will go down very, very down. And this is the good sign when the fundamentals just help you to create a contrarian trade. And this is something that I always like to see. However, right now we don't have any important news. I will just monitor what is happening, and I want to see some price levels to reach. The first price level that I want to see is 1.28. This is the today lowest low. If I see that the hourly close is below this level, for sure, then I watch resistance, and if I see the price just went down below this resistance, I will close my trade when reach a simple moving average 50. It's around 1.276. So this is my plan for this swing trade. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.